Hello. I was curious why my right rear window wasn't working, why it wasn't going down. I pulled it out and it looks like in pretty good shape, but I noticed that when I pulled it out, it wasn't even connected. And I had to, this cable, this outlet was pushed in, so it had fallen out somehow, which was so weird. So I'm gonna reconnect it and see if it works. It looks pretty easy, just push it in. So I don't know if I can do this. I can't do this one-handed. I don't know how the other people do it on the internet. Kudos to them, but I'm gonna have to pause it. All right, I'm back. I just plugged it in. The tool that I used is a plastic pry bar. Kind of loosened it up. Then the fabric was getting caught, so I had to just be very careful that I was pulling it out, that I pull the fabric out from being over top of the hooks. So I'm gonna go get the key, turn the car on, see if it works. Yay, it works. That was an easy fix. Cool stuff. Just kind of push it in, and now it's stuck. I mean, it's not stuck, but it's in. And it works. Sweet. This is the pry bar set that I bought. Got it off of Amazon. I've used a couple pieces already. I think it's good. I would give it 4 stars. It's kind of what people have been doing.